Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2024 of CBS 1 exam. Question number 76 to 78 carries a common statement, and the statement is consider the following for the next three items that follow. A triangle CEF is drawn inside a square ABCD as shown in the figure given below. Given CF is equal to 8 centimeter, EF is equal to 6 centimeter, C is equal to 10 centimeter. So this is diagram given A, B, C, D and C, E, F. This angle is alpha, this angle is beta. Question number 76 is what is the area of the sphere? Option A 512 by 17 square centimeter. Option B 625 by 13 square centimeter. Option C 1024 by 17 square centimeter, and option D 1296 by 13 square centimeter. And question number 77 is what is tangent alpha plus tangent beta equal to? Option A 13 by 16, option B 15 by 16, option C 17 by 16, and option D 17 by 4. And question number 78 is what is the area of triangle CDE? Option A 416 by 17 square centimeter, option B 312 by 13 square centimeter, option C 208 by 17 square centimeter, and option D 156 by 13 square centimeter. So here this is the given figure A, B, C, D, and this angle is alpha, this angle is beta, that is given. And it is given that CE is 10, CF is your 6 and EF is your 8. So in this triangle CEF, we can check that CF square plus EF square is equal to CE square. That is 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. Okay, so that Pythagoras theorem is satisfied, which means this angle is 90, or angle CFE is your 90. Okay, so this angle is 90 and this angle is also 90 because it is a square and this is alpha. So this angle will be at 90 minus alpha. So now this is 90 minus alpha, this is 90. So this will be alpha because total summation of angle is 180. 180 minus 90 minus 90 minus alpha will be alpha. Okay. So now this is your alpha and this angle is your beta and this is your 90. So if this is 90, then alpha plus beta has to be 90. Okay, because this is 90 because it is square, so this alpha plus beta will be equal to 90. So now triangle AEF, AEF and triangle BCF, BCF are similar triangle because this angle is alpha, here there is angle alpha, this angle is 90, this angle 90, and this angle is 90 minus alpha. 90 minus alpha is beta because this is 90, this is alpha, so this is 90 minus alpha, beta is your 90 minus alpha. So they are similar triangles. So it means AF by BC will be your AF by BC, AF by BC will be your EF by FC, and EF is your 6 and this is your 8 from the singular triangle property because the side in front of 90 in this triangle is EF and here it is this side, and side in front of beta is this side, and here in front of beta is this side. So AF by BC is equal to 6 by 8 or AF by BC is 3 by 4. Okay, let AF be x. Okay, sorry, let AF be 3x, then BC will be your 4x because A by BC is your 3 by 4. So if BC is 4x and this is square, so AB will also be 4x. Okay, so BF will be your 4x minus 3x, that is x. So this is your x. Total is 4x and this is your 3x. Okay. So now in triangle BFC, this This is 4x, this is x, and this is 10. So we can find out the value of x. So x square by Pythagoras theorem, x square plus 4x square is equal to 8 square, or 17x square is equal to 64, or x square will be a 64 by 17. And as side of square is your 4x, this is 4x. So area of square will be 4x whole square. So that will be a 16 into x square, that is 64 by 70. So that will be 1024 by 70. Okay. And tangent alpha, so this is alpha, this is 4x, this is x. So x by 4x is your tangent alpha. So that is your 1 by 4. And tangent beta will be, because beta is 90 minus alpha, so tangent beta will be your tangent 90 minus alpha. So that will be cot alpha, so that is 4. So tangent alpha plus tangent beta is your 1 by 4 plus 4, that is 17 by 4. So that is the answer to second question. This is the answer to first question, or question number 76, and this is the answer to question number 77. Now for question number 78, we have to find out the area of triangle CD. So this is the triangle CDE. CDE. We can take it as base and this as perpendicular. So this is 4x and this is 10. We can find out D. So area of triangle will be at CD into D by 2. So CD into D by 2. CD is 4x and D will be at root 10 square minus 4x square divided by 2. Now value of x is known, that is 8 by root 17, and 4x square of value we have got also, that is 1024 by 17. So solving this, it will be 32 by root 17, and this will be 676 by root 17, and 2 is already there. So 676 root is 26, and root 17 into root 17 will be 17, and this will be a 16 into 26 by 17, so that will be 416 by 17 centimeter square. So answer is option A here, and tangent alpha plus tangent beta is 17 by 4 for this, and 1024. So answer is, here is B, and here it is option C.